Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your PSP battery. So basically what you'll need to do is go and turn your PSP around, and you'll basically have this tab, something like this. I'm going just to put back in so you'll see the process, what I'll need to do. So just make sure to use some force. So you'll have this button that says push, and basically if you push down you'll see this pops up. And now what we'll need to do is just take battery out like this, put new battery right here, and basically if you put the new battery, just close again this little tab, and you basically will change your PSP battery. So it is that easy and simple. As you can see, if you put this tab and if you turn it on, it should work like a charm. As you can see, now you will need to select date because we turned off the PSP, and now just like this we'll have our PSP working perfectly fine. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.